Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. In this Linux tutorial, we are going to talk about the SCP command. Now, the SCP command stands for Secure Copy. And you use this command in order to copy files from one computer to another. Okay, and if you want to copy a file from your machine to the server, or the server being another computer, you use the following syntax. Okay, so you write SCP, then you write the name of your local file. Okay, so you use SCP, the name of your local file, then you write the username at remote host. And again, the remote host is the IP address of the computer you are connecting to. And then you actually write a colon and then write /, and then you write the directory where you want to copy this local file to. Okay. And if you want to take a look at more SCP examples, this is like the SCP example, which is the most basic one. You're just transferring one local file to the remote host in the directory. But if you want to actually look at other SCP examples, then you can look at the links in the video description, because I should include them as I'm publishing these videos. Okay, so SCP is a command which is used again to copy files from your computer to another computer. Okay, so this is pretty much it, guys. I thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you in the next tutorial.